You mentioned earlier that being a female in mechanical engineering in India was unusual, and that's something even I saw in my college. Did you face any gender-based discrimination or ill treatment at all in the US in your education or study
No,
or even employment?
even in India, there was no, at least the industry that I worked was really good in that
Yeah.
matter. Yeah, I mean, equal opportunities were given. So no complaints there. But in general, my industry was good, but in general, overall mechanical industry was not that good for, like, I have with so many plans just for like maybe internship or something, and I did not see employed there, or even like any female washrooms for that matter.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I mean, that is true story, right? But here you can say that yes, proportion is still skewed. I mean, only a
Sure.
few
Yeah.
female mechanical engineers versus male. But in terms of like the role that they're doing, or the opportunities that is given to them, is not biased. You
Got it.
can be what you want. You can do what you want to do. Especially so in the industries that I have worked or my friends have worked, I have not
Yeah.
seen any kind of like polarity or something like that.
That's great. Yeah.
Yeah. It
And
might
let
to be proud. In my team, there are like what 40% female employees. My
nice.
team is
Yeah.
small, but
Very good.
and those are really powerful women. Like, I look up to them and I get inspired.
Yeah.
Like, okay, I mean, I have not seen this kind of opportunity before in my life, and what they are doing is really beautiful. It's really powerful, and I look up to them and I want to be something big like this.
Very
So
cool.
yeah.
Let this be a call out to all our female viewers that mechanical engineering is a welcoming field for you. There are no biases. There is equal opportunity, especially if you're planning to study abroad in the US.